Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a summer wreath using some of the leftover supplies sent to me by Vivid Ocean Art. I'm starting off by wrapping a foam ring wreath I purchased from the Dollar Tree along with the rope that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. I used a total of 4 ropes purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I had some floral pins that I was using to secure it along with my hot glue gun. There's something therapeutic about doing the same thing over and over again until you get it all the way complete. Up next, I'm going to pick out my greenery and I'm going to clip them into smaller pieces and place them along the wreath to see exactly where I want them. Once I have an idea of how I want them placed on the wreath, I'll secure it with a zip tie. Next, I'm going to work on introducing the florals to the greenery. Now that I have everything where I want it, I'm going to zip tie it all together and use a pipe cleaner to attach it to the wreath. Next, I pull out my easy bow maker to make a bow to attach to the wreath. I always use the same method with a zip tie and a pipe cleaner. I feel like it makes the loops pop up. After I attach the bow, I go through it again and I just fluff the florals, get them where I want them. And you can see I added a few more florals. I felt like it needed another bow in with the florals, so that's what I'm doing here. Next, I'm adding some leftover shells I had from the collaboration with Vivid Ocean Art. She did pre-wire these for me, which made it super simple to incorporate it with the design. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.